Hi kids, it's Mrs. Fravel. How are you? Good. Me too. I'm fine. Hey, I want to apologize for not having this video up earlier. The internet at the school has been a little glitchy today, and I tried to record this earlier, and it just wouldn't go. So I'm just going to quickly go through what you can do and what you should be doing this week. You can do it all from home. That shouldn't be a problem. So if you didn't come to class today, if you are an A1 student, and if you are an A2 student and you are not going to come on Thursday, you can do everything online, okay? So I'm just going to show you what you need to work on. So let's remember how we navigate in the Canvas. We never, never, never try to work from that to-do list down there. Don't try to work from there because it's not in order, and it's also the assignments aren't associated with their presentation. So you might not get everything right that you need to do. So this is just for you to see what you have not done. It is not where you work from. You always work from the module section over there, okay, over here. So you're going to, of course, log into Canvas, click on modules, okay, and we are at the end of the oceanography unit, the first unit in marine biology. Yay, you did it, we did it. So this is all of the stuff that we've worked on so far, right? This should all be familiar to you. Please make sure that you have completed and turned in all of the assignments from this unit. I am getting the grading caught up on Skyward today, this afternoon, so give me until like 4 o'clock, and then everything should be updated on Skyward, everything that I have. If you have any zeros, I've got a couple of no-name papers. Let me know if you feel like anything on Skyward is inaccurate, okay? This week, besides making sure you have finished all of this stuff and turning it in, make sure you take all the quizzes as well. I think there's 2 of them. And then this is where we're working this week. So we are going to we talked today and we'll talk Thursday about the ocean zones. How do we label the parts of the ocean? I'm not going to lie, it's a little complicated. I did put in a video in here that goes along with the PowerPoint presentation. So if you're not coming to class, you'll see me talking with that to explain how it works, if that makes sense, okay? And then this is a note guide for you to fill out with that presentation. You can open it as a Google Doc and fill it out there, or you can print it out and write on it if you would rather. That's not anything you need to turn in. Those are for you to keep. And then the Ocean Zones worksheet, that is something that you need to complete and turn in. So, oh, and first you need to do the starter questions. So let's start at the top. So first you're going to go in and do the starter questions. Make sure that when you are typing in a discussion on Canvas, you're typing in the reply bar. Don't type your answers in the search bar. I don't know why they put that there. It's kind of silly and useless. I mean, type in the reply bar, type your answers to the questions completely and thoughtfully, and then you'll hit post reply, right? Here's a pro tip. If you do not want to see all of your classmates' submissions every time somebody goes in and does their starter questions, come back up and hit subscribe and unclick it so that you aren't seeing when everybody else replies. Just a little tip for you. And then you'll come down to the bottom and hit next. Excuse me, I have hiccups. And this is the Ocean Zones presentation. This is my video that goes along with my PowerPoint, and then there is just the PowerPoint if you want it, if it's easier to look through that than to pause. But again, you know I'm a talker and I go off on tangents, and I will give you more details while I talk. So it's not a bad idea to watch the videos, and I'm hilarious at double speed, so go right ahead and do that, okay? So as you're watching that presentation, you'll be filling in the Ocean Zones note guide so that you have that information in your own hand and can use it to study for the test. Of course, you'll need to log in, and it'll appear as a Google Doc. Again, you can print it out if you would like. It's not a thing that you need to turn in. And then your assignment for today that does need to be turned in is the Ocean Zones worksheet. And I'm going to be honest with you. I really, really tried to fix this so that it would be easier to do as a digital worksheet, and I just could not figure out how to get it to go. So you need to label all of the ocean zones and preferably color them as well. So what I recommend is print it out, fill it in and color it, take pictures of both sides because there's two sides, color it, answer the question, take pictures, and submit those in the submit assignment as a file upload. Or if you can figure out how to get it to work as a Google Doc where you can label the zones on the Google document and color it. I mean, I guess you don't have to color it if it's on the Google Doc, but if you can at least on this Google Docs worksheet get the zones labeled, I will accept that and you win. You win the internet, okay? Okay. And then the next thing you need to do this week is the Unit 1 test review. So this is everything that you need to make sure you understand and the vocabulary you want to make sure you understand that will be on the test that we will take next week. As of right now, I have no idea if we're going to still be just doing this split schedule next week or if I will see you Monday and Wednesday. I don't know. But this is what we'll be doing at least one of the days in class next week. So make sure that you know those. You can also use a 3x5 index cheat card on the test. You can't use the whole review document, but you can use a 3x5 index card on the test. So you might want to start building that as well, okay? Okay. Any questions? Okay, great. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being flexible and for quarantining if you're quarantining. If you're sick, I hope you feel better soon. Thanks to those of you who are coming to class and wearing your masks. I miss all of you. I can't wait until this nonsense is over. Let's all just work together to get rid of this stupid virus and then we can go back to normal, right? But it takes all of us, so you guys are the best. Okay, I will talk to you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Canvas or Remind. Okay, have a great day. Have a great week. I will see you next week, or I will see you on Thursday if you are an A2 student.